Yeah, so my name is Dante Lartique. I'm the founder and CEO of Raising the Bar. And, what this really means to me and why I wanted this project to be completed is, typically young people like me, black and brown youth that grow up in our communities, we're never exposed to this type of stuff. But it can do something for the mind. It's in my mind wellness, and a lot of them understand that. And that's what we want. We want to challenge ourselves to be better, and by doing that, you have to challenge yourself to take control of your life and make sure you maintain your wellness. And just being out in in an urban setting with something like this looks so natural. It kind of makes you feel like you're a part of nature. These are living organisms, so are we. And so as we take care of ourselves, we can take care of this. And as we take care of this, it takes care of our community. So I appreciate everything that we've done here. It's beautiful, and it kind of makes you feel like you've accomplished something. And this is what we're trying to build out for our youth, is for them to be proud of the work that they do, the achievements that they make in life. And this is a small one, but it's meaningful. And so really appreciate you being here, and I really appreciate the cooperative for doing this for us, and just building community, because this is what it's all about, is building each other up. And so